Good morning. It's Friday, March 27th, and today I'm so excited because we have another Google Hangouts this morning at 10 a.m., so I really look forward to seeing you guys there. For your lessons today, we'll start with reading, and we are reading the book Puppy Loves Blue on willbooks.com. After the book, I want you to go ahead and have a conversation with your child about what their favorite color is, and make sure you're asking questions like why and going a little deeper and seeing if they have anything that they can relate to with the puppy in the book. In language today, we are doing quotation marks, and I have a YouTube that I'll be sending in the email with this that you can click the link to that will kind of give some information to help your child, because we have not done quotation marks in first grade yet. Kids have seen them, of course. They've seen them in books, they've seen them in the things that I read to them, but they'll definitely need kind of some information on that. So the YouTube I send will be great for them. And what they're doing on this page after they watch that video is they are having this sentence either be read to them or reading it themselves and deciding which words are the words that are being said by someone and who is saying them. And the hint they'll get is that word said or laughed to tell them who the person is that said it. And then the quotation marks are the hint that that is what is being said. So that is on the front and on the back. They need to write the quotation marks themselves. So they'll definitely probably need some help from parents for this. So that's kind of just extending the lesson from the front page. In math, you are continuing bar graphs on the first page, and they are taking the information and answering questions that has to do with that information. And then on the back, they are taking the pictures and putting in the information themselves. So that will be math today. For writing, they have the writing prompt on sunny days I like to. So they're just finishing the sentence. They don't have to use all the lines, and then drawing a picture to match. Make sure their handwriting is nice and neat here. I know that the lines are different than the lines they have at school with the dot to help them kind of keep the capitals and the lowercase where they're supposed to be, but when they're doing things like this, just keep an eye on them and make sure they're trying their best to keep it nice and neat. For science, we have hot and cold today, and there are pictures down here to cut and paste or tape into where they belong, whether the thing is making hot or cold feelings, and you can tell them that that's something that they can feel with their hands or they can see with their eyes as far as five senses go. A way to extend this lesson at home, if you want to, is have your child find as many things around the house as possible that are hot or cold. Obviously being really careful not to touch anything that's too hot, and maybe something that's more on the warm side. Same thing with cold. So that is your lessons for this Friday. I hope to see you at Google Hangout today at 10. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and can't wait to get back to it next Monday. All right, bye.